Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create your own mockup in Canva. There are so many ways to do this and here's one that you can try. Okay, now I'm on my Canva account and it doesn't really matter what size document you're in. Just go to Elements and then search for Open Book. We're going to create a mockup of an open book. Hit Submit and click on Photos and this is what we need. Now you have to remember that Canva doesn't allow creating mockups based on their pro images. So this one's pro image, like here, or a premium image. So what you're gonna do is go back to Elements and just put any element like this one, and then let me put it somewhere over here. Now all you have to do is download this. So you hit Share, Download, PNG. Okay, now you have to download that one and then click Save. Now once you've downloaded that, you go back to Home and go to Canva AI and click on Image. Now type this, like I need an image of a clean open book on top of a clean white table or something around that. And then just insert a file for reference. I will insert the one that I just downloaded, and for match the style, it should be match the style and use the colors and feel of your image. And the balance, I want it very strong. I want it to look like this. Now hit Generate. Now if Canva doesn't, or Canva AI doesn't give you the one that you want, you can always regenerate it. So here's the one that I want. So I click on it and then boost resolution. So once you have that, I just click on Edit, duplicate this. I'll show you and then click on that one. Now go to Edit. Make sure that you click your image and then go to Mockups and create a mockup template. So now it's giving you these results, but sometimes it's not to your liking. So I don't like this one, so I'm gonna use this one first and hit on Confirm. So now you have your mockup page here and you can try if it really works. So let's try on this one. Just drag and drop. There you go, and you can always, resize it the way or however you want it, like so, and then apply changes. So now that you already have your mockup, open book mockup, but if you want to have another one on the other side, just go to this one here, and then make sure you click on the image and then click on Edit, and then go to Mockup again, and create a mockup template again. And now we're gonna use this one. Just hit on Confirm. There you go. Now you have two mockup pages already. So now let's try putting something on that one. There you have it. So now you have your left and you have your right. And if you want to combine this, maybe for a product mockup that you want to see both sides, you cannot just copy this and put this on top of this one and then resize it, because it doesn't resize the way you want it. See here, if you resize it like this. We want to resize something differently. So what you can do is hit and share and then download the two pages, PNG. And now once that's downloaded, go to another page and just upload your PNG files. There you go. So you have this one and this one. Okay, there you go. And we can, let's see, should be the same. We can resize it this way. And this is your right and the other one's the left. So what we can do is just resize it that way. So there you go. You have your left and your right. And sometimes you might want to make sure that you see the line like in the middle of the notebook or the book. So if you cannot see that and you want it really pronounced, all you can do is search in Elements, Shadow, and let's see this. This will do, like this. Just make sure that it looks or close to being realistic looking. So something like this. Then you can also put it here like this and copy this or duplicate that and then flip vertical. There we go. There, now it seems like an open book now. So there you have it. And that's it. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day.